excuse me, following the code book, and so on. Um, so again, I'm doing a live today, and I'm working away, and for whoever wants to chat away, they can. First of all, I'd like to thank you guys all for subscribing to the channel, all my subscribers. And for all those who are there, you can double tap the screen to like up the live. Doesn't cost you anything to like up the live. It's pretty much free. Also, like I said, I'm working away, so I decided to do a live. Um, Normally, I don't plan my life. I just come out and I do a live. That's just how the way I do my lives. I don't like to be thinking, uh, constantly what I'm going to be doing. And so basically, what I'm doing right now is, I'm inside of this room here, and as you can see, those wires there. Those wires basically I have to get over to the panel. Um, so that's where I'm working right now, and it's basically you can see made my holes there with a hole saw. Um, Works all the time, making a hole with a hole saw. You can basically put like that drywall in one piece. Um, so again, that's how we do our work. And like I said, I'll check my phone from time to time to see if there's anyone in the chat. Um, but like I said again, this is what we do on a daily basis. Basically, so this wire here, these wires that I'm pulling in, is something that was added after, and it becomes a nuisance, when you're trying to to finish a job, and there's basically stuff being added. It's so yeah. So basically, that's what's going on right now. I'm trying to find myself trying to you know run circuits while the drywall is up. Again, it is it is uh, it is possible. You just have to know what you're doing. Um, Anything is possible in life, like I said. You just have to apply yourself to figure out how you're going to go about the process. Um, for you guys probably watching, you're probably saying it's hard, something that I'm doing right now. But for me, it's an everyday thing that I do. Um, we just go about it, assessing the situation, the best way to be able